Welcome to Module A, entitled Private Historic Heritage Management, How to be Innovative. In this module, we will focus on presenting innovative management models to help set up activities related to heritage that will contribute to making the area more dynamic. With this module, you will learn how to distinguish the characteristics of cultural management and business planning in relation to the tourism sector. Understand the best practices in the management of cultural heritage of historic houses in the tourism sector. Enhance skills to become more competitive, innovative and visible in the sector. Share best practices of private historic heritage management with other participants. Discover innovative ways to manage their private historic heritage. Learn to involve the community in heritage practices and maintenance. Comprehend the various aspects of a business plan adapted to cultural heritage. The module is divided into 3 sub-modules. In the first sub-module, we will answer the question, what is heritage for a private owner? In the second one, we will talk about the new models for managing a private historic heritage site. The third sub-module deals with activities related to the private historic heritage sites. For the development of each of the modules, you will have explanatory videos, complementary materials such as web links and bibliography, and finally, a knowledge evaluation test will be carried out. So, the evaluation activities consist in a mandatory test. We also propose several voluntary activities for you to carry out, and we invite you to share them in the forum with the rest of the students. Welcome to the first module of this course. We hope you enjoy it.